volume is probably the most important indicator in trading. If you're not using volume with your trading or struggling to read volume in your trading, check out this video about why it's so important. This is a trade I took on TLTR, and I've gone short here. And the idea was to break of this range below VWAP and away sell off. But a lot of people look at this and say, this doesn't look like a good trade. And it's because of this candlestick here that I got in on, which is a hammer. And a lot of people say, that's a sign of strength. The price is going to go back up into the range. And I see this all the time on social media where people talk about candlesticks and candlestick patterns, and they leave out the whole aspect of volume, which is the most important part. Now, if you haven't read the book Volume and Price Analysis by Andrew Coulling, I would highly recommend it, and I'll add a link to it in the description. But this candle is not a sign of strength. This is a test candle, and we can see that by this bow volume diagram. What has happened is the market maker has dropped the price down to see if there is any interest in buying here. And if there was interest in buy, we would see more volume coming in. Instead, we see the same volume as we had on the candlestick before, which was an indecision candle, and we see about the same volume on the candle before. So when the price was dropped down here, nobody wanted to buy it. So if nobody's interested in buying this stock, that means the price is going to go down. The other thing I saw is here on the level 2. This order book is very bearish with lots of orders staffing out to the downside. So I'm feeling very confident that this is going to go down. So we'll take a look here. And just as we saw, the price immediately drops. And again, it's because there was no interest in buying, and we could see that based on the volume when the price goes down. So again, the book is Volume and Price Analysis by Andrew Coulling, and it really helps you understand why price moves the way it does, and it lets you start understanding where the price might go next. So until next time, happy trading.